Hello, my friends. This is Deepak with an exciting offer to all of you, an exciting announcement. Please join our new workshop, which includes meditation on overcoming chaos. Overcoming chaos. The workshop is offered free. It is available now, and all you have to do is go to chopra.com. So let me begin by saying a few things. It is impossible to solve any problem at the level of awareness at which the problem was created. You have to move to another level. And when you do that, you find out that every problem is actually an opportunity, that every problem is meant to take you to a higher level of awareness, that chaos is in fact the ingredients. Chaos creates the ingredients for creativity. It was Nietzsche, the French philosopher, who said, you must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star. You must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star. So this course that I'm offering right now, and you can go to chopra.com and register for free and get the course for free. This is how do we take chaos and create something magnificent out of it. There is chaos in the world right now. Political environment is very chaotic and very confusing. There are lots of things happening in the world, from mass migrations to climate change to extinction of species to violence to terrorism. You name it, the world seems to be totally chaotic. So this is our opportunity for a creative response. In general, people are afraid of chaos. They are afraid of unpredictability. In general, people are afraid of contradiction, of paradox, of ambiguity. But without all these ingredients, chaos, contradiction, paradox, ambiguity, there would be no room for creativity. I would say the degree to which you are comfortable with unpredictability, the degree to which you're uncomfortable with predictability is proportional, should I rephrase that, to the extent you're comfortable with unpredictability and chaos. To that extent, you have access, proportionately more access to creativity. Chaos, unpredictability, ambiguity, contradiction, paradox lead to creativity. The two go together. If everything is hunky-dory, fixed, no creativity. Okay, so in this workshop, which is available right now, let's all see how we can harness the power of chaos to create a better life for all of us, not just for us, but everybody. Because we start and we are the change, and then we get a critical mass. For me, that's 1 billion people, and I'm so needing your help to reach that 1 billion people, to reach that critical mass, that it's impossible for any one of us to do it by ourselves. But actually, the more we become the change, the more we hang out together, the more we create that ecosystem of be the change you want to see in the world, the faster will be our movement in the direction of creativity, truth, goodness, harmony, beauty, love, compassion, joy, equanimity, and the faster we'll move in the direction of a more peaceful, just, sustainable, healthier, and joyful world. So my intention here is for us to do this together. The workshop is called Overcoming Chaos. It's available on chopra.com, and I hope you'll join. And if you do, you can also download a free workshop on Nadi Shodhana, or breath work that immediately changes your biology from a stressful biology to a coherent biology, to an integrated biology. So this is available also as a free MP3 download. The workshop again is Overcoming Chaos. So I'm here now in my office, and hoping that you're watching, and if you can hear me loudly, and if you can resonate to what I'm saying, then spread the word. Press the like button or your heart buttons, which I'm seeing you. Share this video with other people, and let's get to the most practical aspect of the wisdom traditions of the world, and that is let us embark together as a collective consciousness to know the truth of our existence. The truth of our existence is that at the most fundamental level, we are that. We are truth, we are goodness, we are beauty, we are the source of evolution, and we are joy, and we are bliss. That's our basic fundamental state. That's what meditation and this workshop will also allow you to get to. The place that you've never left but only forgotten. The place that you have never left but only forgotten. So right now, to basically make a shift in the world, we need a cognitive revolution, which means we need to change the way we perceive reality. Right now, our separate selves and our anxiety, our addiction to security, our addiction to power, our addiction to sensations has created collective anxiety that is putting everybody at risk. But let's now take that journey without distance, the journey from the self to the self. Remember that poem of T.S. Eliot, "We shall not cease from exploration," and the end of our exploring is to arrive where we started from and know the place for the first time. You know that a lot of people who do meditation says, I can't get rid of thoughts. But trying to get rid of thought is also a thought. So you can never do anything by force. You need to relax into being. You need to relax into your fundamental nature, which is Sat, Chit, Ananda, truth, awareness, bliss. And from there, when we act, when we are engaged, centered, detached from outcome, we can achieve anything. So let's do it. Let's do it together. Join me for this workshop. It's called Overcoming Chaos. You can register by going to chopra.com. Please spread the word. Share this video with others. And also, as I said, there's a breath work workshop on Nadi Shodhana, which will be available to you as a free download. So let's be the change we want to see in the world. Nothing is impossible, because at the most fundamental level, we are that. We are all possibilities, infinite possibilities. We are unpredictable. We use chaos and contradiction and ambiguity for our creativity. We have the power of intention. We're inseparably connected to all that exists. And our fundamental nature is love. Love as the ultimate truth at the heart of creation. Not just a sentiment, not just an emotion, although it expresses itself as those activities of consciousness, but we are the love that radiates from being, as light radiates from a bonfire, or light radiates from the sun. Let love and joy and bliss radiate from us, denied to none, and maybe focused on none. Just pure love, unconditional being. Chopra.com is the place to go to register, and please share this with others, so we quickly move to 1 billion people being the change they want to see in the world. Overcome your chaos, create something new, then create some more chaos, and keep creating. Lots of love, and let's all be on board. God bless.